Most traders never escape the loop. But you can break it.
This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research.
This is Coin Picker, fully, where global markets meet clear, powerful insights. Welcome back, everyone. You're watching Coin Picker, Stream, your daily source for gold, markets, and breaking financial news. Every trader believes they can control a losing streak until the emotional loop takes over. It always starts small. One mistake, then another, and confidence quietly breaks apart. Fear enters fast. You stop thinking. You start reacting. You know your rules. But emotions break them instantly. You enter early, exit late, and delete stop losses when fear rises.
This is the moment the losing loop roots itself deep inside your mind.
Gold exposes weak discipline faster than any asset. XAUUSD has no mercy. Then comes the lie. It will reverse. Just hold. Just wait. But the market moves with or without you. It does not care about your fear. This is where the spiral begins, deeper each time you avoid discipline. Your brain shifts into survival mode. Logic fades. Emotion becomes the driver. You start trading to fix your feelings, not to follow your system. You begin to chase losses, trying to heal the fear with another trade. The deeper the losses, the more your mind fights itself. A part of you says stop, leave it roulette. Another part says keep trading. Every trader knows this moment, the quiet point between discipline and destruction. And then you decide whether to break the loop or fall deeper. Most traders choose the wrong path, not because they want to, but because emotions push them there. You break rules to escape fear, but breaking rules only creates more fear. Just one more trade. Just one more chance. This is where discipline collapses and survival instincts take over. You stop trading your plan and start trading your feelings. Logic whispers, but emotion screams. The louder voice always wins. You begin to justify mistakes, calling them strategy. Your brain becomes addicted to the emotional rush, not the result. You stop looking at charts and start looking for relief. Every losing trader reaches this point. A silent moment of doubt. Should I quit or continue?
Most traders continue, but without a plan. And that is where the loop resets.
You re-enter the market with hope, not with structure. But hope without rules leads to the same results, again and again. The market punishes inconsistency every single time.
These emotional loops repeat because traders never confront the real cause.
And the cause is not the market, it's the mind. The market has always been the mirror, reflecting the trader's inner state. If the mind is chaotic, the results will always follow the same path. Every losing trader shares the same patterns, the same emotional triggers, the same reactions. Most don't know they're repeating the same loop because it feels different every time. But losing in a new way is still losing the same way. You're not fighting the market. You're fighting your impulses. Impulses feel powerful. They feel urgent. They feel like truth. But they are lies, crafted by fear and desperation. The mind's goal is not to make you profitable, it's to make you comfortable.
Comfort is the enemy of progress, and progress is the enemy of the losing loop.
This is the turning point, the moment traders either rise or collapse. The market won't change for you, so the only option is to change yourself.
To escape the loop, you must confront the truth you've avoided.
The truth is simple, but not easy. Your emotions control your trades. And until you control your emotions, nothing will change. This is the core truth every successful trader learns. Your edge is not your strategy, it is your psychology.
Once you accept this truth, the entire market begins to look different.
You stop reacting and start observing. You begin to detach your emotions from your positions. Slowly, you regain control.
It doesn't happen all at once. Control grows in small victories.
You start to respect your rules, not fear them. You stop forcing trades. You wait for clarity. You stop chasing losses because you no longer fear them. This is when your mind sharpens and your trading finally matures. Your discipline becomes your shield. Your patience becomes your weapon. They Tenix. This is where profitable traders are created. Not from strategy, but from self-mastery. The hardest battle was never with the market. It was always with yourself. Once you control your emotions, the market becomes easier to understand. You trade less, but earn more. You finally break the loop that 90% of traders never escape. Master your mind, and the market will follow.
Stay ahead of the market. Subscribe now and follow CoinPicker for the latest insights.